myWaukee magazine. We're here with Michael Hummel. Can you tell us what you're doing here today?
Yes, today I represent the U.S. Postal Service here in Iowa, and I'm the small business specialist. I primarily work with small business customers that either want to learn to advertise their business using mail, or if they've got in product that they're looking to ship, I help them and let them know what avenues are available. Today we're at the Waukee Post Office just celebrating National Small Business Week, and it's a time that the post office takes once a year. It's a national recognition of the small businesses in this country, and we like to take advantage of that. Come out to the local post offices and thank the small businesses for their support, for what they do for their communities. And this is kind of our chance to give back to them. And so we do that with coffee. And then I'm also kind of spotlighting today our Every Door Direct Mail. It's kind of a new program that we launched several years ago that basically, in the old days, you had to have a permit to mail and an application fee and an address list and all those things, and you could easily spend $5,000–6,000 before you got your first piece of mail out the door. And the post office rolled this out several years ago, and it basically is they can come to a small community like Waukee, and there's a program right on our website, USPS.com, called Every Door Direct Mail. You type in the zip code, you hover your mouse over it, and that's what you see here on this screen is just that highlighted area is telling about that mail route and how many deliveries and what the average income is and exactly how much it would cost to mail your flyer to every person on that route. So it lets the little small guy be able to advertise like the big guys used to without nearly the expense. So bottom line's everything for everybody. And then also we're talking about our regional rate priority and just shipping in general if they have questions, but primarily the reason today is just to celebrate small business and to thank them for their support.
Awesome, very good. Now I got a really tough question for you. Ready?
Ready.
How did you get into this line of work? And let's just go from kind of like from the coming out of the pickle jar into where you're today.
I've got 41 years in with the post office.
Wow.
And I literally started out as a rural mail carrier sub and out in Altoona, Iowa.
For people generations today that don't know what you're talking about, you want to kind of explain what that sub means?
The rural mail carriers were the ones that carried out in the country, and they get a day off every week, some of them. And I was the guy that come in the day after, or that day off, and I carried mail for them. And then after a few years, a vacancy came open and I became a regular carrier, did that for 25 years. Then I became a postmaster and was a postmaster at a few small towns. And then I got invited into the district office to talk with small businesses, and I've been doing that for the last 11 years. So.
Very cool. So you kind of go to just different ones. You're not at a specific location.
Right. The entire state of Iowa is my territory, so I go wherever customers need me, and it's been a great ride.
Okay, and if people want to find out more about this post office here, do you want to kind of tell them maybe where it's located and a good place to maybe go online and get the information they need?
Our website is USPS.com, and you can find out just about anything postal. You can do anything from that website that you come into this post office to do. But we're located at 500 Hickman Road here in Waukee, and not sure what the hours are. You'd have to check, but those are posted on our website as well. So.
I know it's not after 4:30 because I came in here the other day and they're like, nope, come in tomorrow. So you got to get here before 4:30 if you want them to take care of you.
Yes.
But it is open after that if you just have something to drop off.
Yes.
On your own. So, Well, thank you so much for your time, Michael.
No, I appreciate it.
You have a good rest of your day.
You too.